Peace. Peace, family. Peace, peace. Peace. Oh my goodness. So, I never had vegan pizza, right? This vegan pizza is so good. You ever ate something? Man, I know my head was itching since earlier on time. This vegan is so good. And the name of the place is called Two Boots. And it's in Jersey City. Downtown Jersey City. It is so, I mean, this, you know how some places you go to, I don't know what is this green stuff. A part of me think is pesto. And so on here, they have artichokes, mushrooms, onions. I want to say this is pesto, and then purple onions. Whoever came up with this, honey, they outdid themselves. So good. So good. Alright, family, I just wanted to come on and show you guys. I know some people say, you know, being vegan is boring. And it's not boring, it's all what you make it, you know? You gotta go different places and see, you know, like what they have and stuff like that. And most importantly, I would say you have to cook, right? Because not eating meat, it could get a bit pricey. So, I mean, it's good to treat yourself and try different things, right? And so with that being said, make sure you guys, I don't even think, like, you know, even if you're not vegan, eating is, I mean, it tastes so good. It tastes really, really good. Like, they have it seasoned very well. They have, I don't know if you guys eat artichokes, but I like artichokes. I like every vegetable that I know of. I like every vegetable that I like. I mean, that I know of. It's not a vegetable that I don't like. It's not even a fruit that I don't like. So I mainly like every vegetable, fruit and vegetable that I know of. Okay. So yeah, step out of your horizons. You know, try different things and go different places. Even if you don't know the people or whatever it is like that. I feel as though that's the That's the best way for us to grow. By us trying different things, going different places, learning who you are, even by yourself, right? You know what? I was going to do a video earlier and talk about how phenomenal it is, like when you by yourself and when you really start hanging with yourself and start appreciating the alone time that you have with self. Because we get caught up and we want to be with people and do things with people, and that's all well and good. But if you don't even like to be by yourself, or you feel uncomfortable being by yourself, what I had to realize is, then I got to be by myself. If I feel uncomfortable being by myself, then I have to be by myself. Then I have to do things for self. That way my expectations aren't high. I'm not expecting somebody to do all the ins and outs. I could do for self, you know? And I think that's very important, because it's more, you are demonstrating more vulnerability when you hanging by yourself and going different places by yourself. I remember when I was in my probably like early 20s, and it was a guy who I had went to high school with, and he became a police officer. And I remember one day I seen him in a restaurant, and I thought to myself, like, my first initial thought was, what a loser, he by himself. And what I realized was, no, Dina, he ain't the loser. Honey, you gotta tap in, because maybe you the loser because you're not even comfortable with being by yourself. You know, and we mistaken and think people who hang by themselves that they losers, they different, they, you know, all these different things. But the truth of the matter is, when the last time you been out by yourself? Like you took yourself out by yourself. And if you're not comfortable with doing it, then you should tap in and do it. Because this is what I realized. If I could be by myself, right? One, that means that I'm not going to tolerate the unacceptable. I'm not going to allow somebody to treat me any old type of way. Because why? Because I done mastered the art of hanging by myself. And I'm not expecting somebody to do stuff for me that I'm not willing to do for my damn self. That's one, right? And then two, it's easier to cut people off. It's easier to cut people off when you master the art of being by yourself, right? Because there's only but so much you are going to tolerate and accept. Because you like, damn, I already be by myself. What the fuck? I need this person to bring me stress and drama and everything like that into my life, you know? So I just wanted to stop by and talk to you guys and show you guys the vegan pizza, and say, you know, sometimes we have this perception of, if it's unfamiliar, it's boring, or you don't want to do it. But sometimes you have to trust the process and become vulnerable in the thing that is unfamiliar, or the thing that you necessarily don't want to do because you're afraid. And so sometimes we got to put ego to the side and say, ego, not today. And with that being said, I love you guys.